Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've just recently completed a series of videos of how to build this one-page scrolling site with a Divi theme, and we've got a hero section with dual buttons here. We scroll down, we've got an about section, we've got some scroll effects going on. If we scroll down some more, we've got a services section, also got a sticky call to action bar there. We've got a project section, some dual heading sections here, a little slider and info section. We've got a full width testimonial slider, a team section, some price tables, a contact us, and a full width live Google map. We've also got a custom global footer on the bottom here with some social media. We've got a live call button that if people are looking at it on a mobile, they can click that, it'll automatically prompt them to call. Or if they click it on a desktop, it'll prompt them to call on a desktop. So I thought it'd be nice, I've put this all together in a playlist, and I'll put the playlist below the video, and you go there, you've got all the videos here in the order that we built the actual site. But for anybody that doesn't want to go through that, I've also downloaded the JSON files for this, the actual page, site, and the global footer for anybody that just wants to use it and put their own information in there. And that's really easy to do. And I'll put the download link below the video, obviously. And when you download it, it's going to download it as a zip file. So you'll have to extract it. So there's two little files in there. I'm going to say extract here, and you'll find a global footer in there and the actual one-page scroll site itself. Now to use these, you need to import them into your library. So if we go to the dashboard, down to Divi and to Divi library, for the one-page one, for the actual page info there, hit the little import and export button up here, and we've got an import. Now you can browse to where you downloaded that zip file and unzipped it, or you can simply grab the folder and select the one-page scroll site file and drop it where it says no file selected there. Once it's in there, hit the import Divi Builder layouts. And it's not too big, so there it is right there, shouldn't take long to load. Now what do you do with it once you've got it? Well, let's create a new page. I'll open this in a new tab with my middle mouse here. Give it whatever name you want. And of course we're going to use the Divi Builder. And we're going to choose a pre-made layout because it's in our library now. So if we go to Browse Layouts, go to your saved layouts, and there it is, one page scroller. Simply left click on it, and there we go, it's loaded it into your site view or into your page view. Then you just need to set this as a home page for your site, presumably if you're doing the one page scrolling site there. And you want to make sure you publish your page. For anybody that doesn't know how to set it as a home page, go to your dashboard, down to Appearance and Customize. Once you're in the customizer, you can go down to Home Page Settings, select a static page, and select the page that you've just created, which was one page in our case. I'm going to leave mine on the one that's there. Once you've done that, hit the publish and you're good to go. The only other thing is the global footer. I've already got mine loaded, and I don't know if you noticed, but in the file download there was another file there for the global footer, which is this right here if you want to use it. So to use it, let's get out of our customizer here. We have to go back and we go to Divi, this time to the theme builder. And we want to go up to here, the little up and down arrows that say portability. Click on that. And you want to import your file. Again, you can simply drag the global footer up there, or you can hit the choose file and browse to it that way. I've already got mine loaded, so there's no need to. If there's nothing else on your site, leave it as override default website template and allow import to override existing assignments. If you've got something else on this website that you don't want to be overwritten or to have the styles changed, uncheck those two boxes. But like I say, if you're making a one-page scrolling site, chances are there aren't, so you're fine to leave those as they are. So that's it, guys. Once you've done that, you should have this site uploaded. The only other thing that you're going to need to do is you will have to create your own menu, because there's no way I could include that in the file download. And if you don't know how to create the menu for the one-page scroller like this, it's really easy. Just go to the playlist again, and near the bottom down here is create a menu for a one-page scrolling site. Really easy. So there you go, guys. There's the playlist and the files. However you want to do it, it's there for you. So once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.